So tonight I'm out testing the Insta 360 X3 replacement. It's identical to my previous unit, but I'm actually using the Insta professional lens guards. Bit of a job to fit them, but the YouTube video was very useful that Insta sent me. So tonight is all about how does the diffraction of the outer lens for the lens protector affect the Insta whilst it's filming. It's low light. The sun is probably only half an hour from sunset, but let's see how we get on. Turning circle on a Norton Commando is not brilliant. Arc Royal. Camera, that's what's on the front, so it fills 360 degrees. No mate, no. Have a good evening.